Hi, welcome into health. Today we're gonna start with a video for acupressure points for the hemorrhoids. So if you're suffering from them, there's quite a few points that are specific in acupuncture for that I'm gonna describe to you, and then you can sort of self-massage yourself. Most of them are on the arm, and then there's one on the leg here. Okay, so let's start with the hand. There's 2 points that I want you to look at. First of all, they are on the large intestine channel. Okay, so the large intestine channel runs from here, it goes into the wrist, and then it travels on the outside of the radial bone into the corner of when you're bending the elbow. This is large intestine 11, this is large intestine 5. So you're trying to run a line between these 2 points, and this is the large intestine channel. When you're doing the large intestine channel, this is gonna be a set of 3 points, which according to Master Tung, treat hemorrhoids. When I do it on my clients, they work fantastically, so I would definitely recommend them to you. Okay, so from here to here is 12 units, which are called 12 sun. So you need to divide that in half. Now, when you're doing the measuring, you either need to do it like this or like this, okay? So I find that pretty much this is halfway, okay? So that's halfway. Again, you're running a line alongside this area, and on the halfway point, this is the first point. You start massaging here, and then you have to divide this in another 2 sections. So 1 and 2. Once you've got these points, start massaging on them. You can do one at a time, but basically once you find the first point, you can also mark it with a pen, and then you have to divide this in another 2 units. Yeah, can you see? So this is 1 point and this is another point. Start massaging on this area. You can do one at a time, or you can also sort of run your finger from one point to the other and going up and down. It might be quite tender as you're doing this, okay? If you get a spot that is particularly tender, stay there for at least another 2 or 3 seconds pressing down. You're gonna do a 30 seconds on each arm, okay? Then there's another point called airby, which is again another specific point for hemorrhoids. Is on this part of the arm, and if you make a fist, you're gonna find this tendon, which is the flexor, the flexor, and then you need to go a hand breadth from the wrist into this point, and you're going either side of the tendon. So you're making a fist, you're finding the tendon, and then you're relaxing and you're pressing on this. This is one side and the other side of the tendon, okay? Again, feel up and down and find the most tender spot, and then you're staying there for about 30 seconds, massaging on this area, 30 seconds each side, okay? Right, and then we're gonna do the point on the leg. Okay, so on the leg, if I roll this up, you're going into the bladder channel. The bladder channel is from here into here, okay? So you've got a line that runs alongside here. Now you have to come halfway between these 2 lines. So wherever the patella finishes, you're running a line across and you're trying to cut this into half. And then you're coming slightly down and you're staying on this line, okay? Again, look for a tender spot. Most of the time, if you've got hemorrhoids, it's gonna be really, really tender, okay? So it's approximately just a finger breadth from the midline, and you're pressing onto this area, 30 seconds here, okay? And you're gonna do it on both sides, okay? Last point is on the ears. Again, you can use magnetic ear pellets. I'm sending the link on the description for you to get them on Amazon. And the area that you're looking at is the sort of on the inside of the ear here, which is the area of the rectum and the hemorrhoids. But I'll put a picture up so you can see it better. But it's this lining here, and if you're quite careful about how you wash your hair, the ear pellets will stay for at least 3 or 4 days. But if your ear gets wet, then you need to replace them. Okay? Thank you for watching this video, and if you've got any questions, please comment below and I'll answer as soon as I can. And if you like this video and you would like to get notifications for any other videos, please subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.